The Litheli Cordless Snow Shovel.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Litheli Snow Shovel.
The snow shovel requires minimal assembly, and inside you get the shovel, battery, charger, user guide, bolts, and locking knobs. Just to go over some specs, it has a 300 watt motor with an auger rotation of 2000 RPMs. It weighs in at 8.8 pounds, a clearing path of 12 inches, discharge height of 8 feet and a distance of 20 feet, adjustable handle, 20 volt 4 amp hour battery, a runtime of 20 minutes depending on the snow depth and density. It takes 2 hours to fully charge, and overheat and overcharge protection. As mentioned, it requires minimal assembly, and all you have to do is join the lower and upper shaft and secure them with the bolts and locking knob. You can find them inside the battery compartment. One thing to note is that you don't want to force the bolts in the holes. Make sure the cable is not in the way. Once you have the shaft connected and the bolts inserted, just tighten them with the knobs. And you can also adjust the auxiliary handle to your desired angle by loosening the knobs. Inserting the battery is simple. Just pull the cover back and the battery just slides in. Looking at the handle, you have the safety lock button and the on and off button.
Okay, so we're getting the first major snowfall of the season, and we're going to test out the snow shovel. You can see it here fully assembled, and as far as the height and the overall design here. Again, this has a 12-inch blade. You have the battery compartment here, and then the controls up here, and you can adjust the front handle. So I'm just gonna give it a few passes. Let's see how it does.
During my testing here, the current temperature is 5 degrees Fahrenheit with a wind chill of -14 Fahrenheit. It is also very windy. There is about 2 inches of snow and it's light. I will test it out on the asphalt, concrete sidewalk, and also show it clearing a pile of snow. And here you can see it clearing the concrete sidewalk. So just to give you an idea on how it will do with deeper snow, I've piled a bunch of snow here. Here are my thoughts on the snow shovel. I really didn't know what to expect as far as performance, but I was pleasantly surprised. It was able to clear the driveway and sidewalk with no issues. It throws the snow far and requires minimal effort. It worked on the asphalt driveway and sidewalk, and as far as the snow depth, it was able to clear the foot of snow with no issues. Battery wise, during my testing I used about 50% and it still had plenty left. Build quality is decent, mostly plastic, and as far as durability, that's still something to be tested over time. I like that you can use the battery with the other Litheli products, so you won't have to buy extra batteries if you own them. Overall, I feel this is a good cordless snow shovel. It has many uses from your patio, walkways, and even driveways. It can definitely save your back from the heavy lifting and make snow shoveling a lot easier. So that is my review of the Litheli 20V Cordless Snow Shovel. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.